I mean, no. 7-5. Hail 7-5. Another 752. No delta belly, wingletless 2. Yeah, go right up into the sun. Shadow. Six four, 764 again. Yay. Crap. Delta belly. A321 with a delta belly, yay. Sorry I'm not zooming in, by the way, but I don't want it to get all blurry. Oh, 7-3. Well, there you can't see that very well, but whatever. And here come Pop and Jeff. Well, here we go, 737. Under the ILS once again for runway 27 left. Atlanta Airport. Yay! Delta belly in. Oh, it's just a perfect spot. ERJ. Then A320. Then after this and the next one, we should have a 747. No, there's two more. Never mind. Don't go on to 28. Still like the 757. Yeah. Yeah, that's exaggerated, but look how fast the ERJ is going. No, the 764. Delta belly A. 764. The greatest and loudest of all 767s. 747's next. Straight up 747. I think it's 740. But I don't know. Either way, China. No, Cathay Pacific. On the 8, yeah. What a big jet. Oh, it's blowing sideways because of this crosswind. I hate it. Oh, I hate it. Oh, I absolutely hate it. Unless my stupid tablet shuts itself off, which is exactly what it did. But I was gonna say, a cloud covers the sun at the perfect time, and out comes the sun. Guys, watch this. I'm gonna film myself. Right in front of the jet. Oh, it's wobbly. There it goes. There it is. This one's worth zooming in for. Oh, it's getting really windy. And we got 2 landings lined up right here. Really close. Car honking at me for no apparent reason. 757 Sky Team. Oh, it's just perfect. Very wobbly there. Come on, go around, please. Sky Team 757. 302 Giraffe. I think. No, I think that's it. Look at the stuff. Oh, is it? No, it's not. 700. A stub. Come on, now you owe me a go around. Stub. Come on, stub. Dang it, scud. I was gonna say scud. Partly cloudy. Oh, this is one wobbly 7.5. He might go around. Okay, I'm sorry I keep on talking about go arounds. Throttle down, throttle up, delta belly A. Yeah, look at the wobbles. Look, right bank, left bank, delta belly. There's still time. Come on, do it. Dang it. He was all over the place, man. RJ 900, pretty wobbly. This is worth zooming. Yeah, on the right bank, left, yeah. Straighten it out. There we go. That or go around. Still a little wobbly. Just a little bit. And nope, he touched it. Oh, get in the crosswind, will ya? Yeah, right bank. Throttle up, throttle down. Delta belly. Come on, flare. Flare, it's taking you a very long time to flare. Come on. There we go. And successful. Look at the A330! What a showtime. Oh, man. Oh, you love to hear it. It's getting pretty dang windy out here. And, we got a 7.5, I think. Trying to win. Nope, 7.6. Oh, it's really wobbly. Oh, it's crazy. Go around. Go around. Throttle down. Throttle up. Oh, you can just hear him struggling, but he's gonna try it. Oh, yeah. Sky Team. Oh, listen to that. Oh, the crosswind is crazy right now. Oh, yes. The 8. Man. It is ridiculous. It's the perfect 737 and 747. Well, let's see if we can catch the rotation. 737 is having a little bit. Huh? Yeah. It's gonna rotate now. There it is. Perfect rotation. Come on, hurry up. Wow. And there's KAL 787. And it's a 9 too, which is the best type. 787. Oh, look at that! Look at the bank on the 747. It's hard on the right bank. Just like what I was talking about. Because only the big jets I only see the big jets do that. So maybe they're doing that to gain speed. And maybe not go into an aerodynamic stall 747, please. Oh, here we go. Here's rotation. Lost your wing flex. What the hell was that? There goes the 787. Hey, Spirit. Look, Jeff, Spirit.